Welcome to Beauty Garden channel, where we give you beauty tips. Like and subscribe if you love our video. I'm excited to walk you through the steps for creating a soft cut crease eyeshadow look that's perfect for parties, special occasions, or just when you want to elevate your makeup game. First things first, you'll need a few essentials: a light eyeshadow color and a concealer. Start by generously applying this combination across your entire eyelid. The purpose of this is to create a smooth and uniform base for your eyeshadow. Blend it out seamlessly to ensure there are no harsh lines.
Here we go.
Next, choose a light shade, a light color that will work as your transition shade. With a gentle clockwise and anti-clockwise brush motion, concentrate on your crease area. The key here is to use a light hand. Less is more when it comes to eyeshadow. This technique will help you achieve that soft and perfectly defined crease. Now, let's add some sparkle to your eyelid. Take a silver eyeshadow and a highlighter shade of your choice. Apply them delicately to the eyelid area, blending them together for a seamless transition. This will add depth and dimension to your eyes. Moving on to the cut crease area, use a soft, rounded brush. Blend the eyeshadow in this area gently to create a cat eye effect. The key is to blend until it looks effortlessly smooth. Finally, the finishing touch, eyeliner. Apply your preferred eyeliner style.
Invincible.
This step will not only define your eyes, but also enhance the overall look. Voila! You've just achieved a stunning soft cut crease eyeshadow look that's sure to turn heads at any event. Enjoy your beautifully done eye makeup. Thanks for watching.